Speedway as well.
Part of those Nelson import cars.
And they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the number 12 car of Ross Lamont getting out there in a hurry. And that 19X of Ronald Osborne trying to hold off the 18M of Shauna Myers.
And as 06, David Lemke started on the pole and just worked his way all the way to near the back of the pack there.
And then there's Tyler DeShane in that 70X car working his way up real fast around the traffic.
They did a flip-flop, I think, Eric.
Just a little. Still Ross Lamont in that 12 car out front. Ryan Osborne. Ronald Osborne in second and Tyler DeShane in third. The Gator, Roger Thinkpen, holding on to that 4 spot as the 18M of Shauna Myers having some problems.
Just about ran right into the 4K of Roger Thigpen as she was hanging on to it. A little bit of handling issue on the inside, the 18 of Shauna Myers, as Ross Lamont is bringing them around.
Ross Lamont has won 1 heat in his back pocket. Osborne has not.
Osborne looking to make his first heat win as he's going to take the lead from Ross Lamont. And Tyler DeShane is pushing
Osborne all over the place. Yeah, DeShane has been working his way up traffic really fast in that 70X car. And he's really giving it to Ross Lamont in the 12. A little bit of bumper color change. A little pink on the front of the red.
So DeShane looking to make his move. He's got to get a hole here as they've got 2 to go. It's Lamont, Osborne, and DeShane.
Watch out for Tyler Thigpen, who won his first heat last time in that 4K of the Gator. Rogers all over. 1 to go. Lamont's going to try and hold off DeShane, but Osborne and Thigpen are right there in the 19 and 4K.
DeShane's got an opening. Will he take it? He's going to challenge Ross Lamont for the lead. All the way from the back. Will he get it, or is Ross Lamont going to hang on to it? This could be a photo finish. Who's it going to be?
Oh, my.
Oh, Ross Lamont holds off Tyler DeShane for the win. And that pink car, look out. Woo! What a race. I thought Tyler may have got him, Eric. That was a close race.
Man, they made that exciting, didn't they? This is only the heat number 2 for the Bandits. Ross Lamont winning his 2nd heat of the year, currently 10th in the points. ADV Racing Syntax Synthetic Oil. Of course, he's all about breast cancer awareness because of the pink and that 1998 Dodge Neon. He's out of Cherry Valley, Illinois. We'll wait and see if that number 12 comes out. Or if he stays in where it's cool. He's unstrapping. He wants to hear the crowd. He wants to hear you all roar for the number 12.
After that win, definitely. What a win. All right, helmets off. Probably very winded as he's going to get out. Rockford Speedway, give him a hand. It's Ross